Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to use DeepSeek R1 in Visual Studio Code for free. Firstly, click on the extensions icon in the left sidebar or press Ctrl plus Shift plus X to open the extensions view. In the search bar, type Cline and hit enter. Once you find the Cline plugin in the list, click Install. After installation, you will see a robot icon in the left sidebar. Click on this icon to activate Cline. Now, to manage local AI models, download Ollama from ollama.com and follow the installation instructions provided. Now, open your terminal in VS Code or separately and run the following command: Ollama pull DeepSeek R1 14b. In the VS Code, click on the Cline robot icon on the left sidebar to configure the settings and set the API provider to Ollama in the settings to connect Cline with your local setup. With the Cline plugin installed and DeepSeek R1 set up locally via Ollama, you're ready to start utilizing the power of local AI models in VS Code. You can now use Cline for various tasks such as coding assistance, debugging, or AI-driven content creation. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.